Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to blend Irish sea moss. First, you will need to properly prepare your raw sea moss by soaking and thoroughly cleaning it. This crucial initial step ensures that any impurities are removed, leaving you with a pure base. Next, we will use a high-speed blender, adding filtered water to achieve that perfectly smooth, consistent gel texture. It's a straightforward process that yields a versatile and beneficial product. Before blending, it is essential to prepare your sea moss. Begin by rinsing the raw sea moss under cool, running water to remove any loose debris. Then, place it in a large bowl and cover it with filtered water, allowing it to soak for a minimum of 6 hours or even overnight. Remember to change the soaking water several times to ensure it is thoroughly clean. You will notice the sea moss expanding considerably, becoming soft and pliable. Now, let's create that perfect gel. Carefully transfer your thoroughly soaked and cleaned sea moss into a high-speed blender. For every 1 ounce of dry sea moss you started with, add approximately 1 cup of fresh, filtered water. Secure the lid and blend on the highest setting until the mixture transforms into a completely smooth, creamy gel. You might need to pause and scrape down the sides of the blender a few times to ensure everything is incorporated evenly. Once your sea moss gel is perfectly smooth, carefully pour it into a clean, airtight glass jar or container. Store this freshly made gel in your refrigerator, where it will remain fresh and potent for up to 3 weeks. For daily use, a common recommendation is to consume about 2 tablespoons, easily added to your morning smoothie, oatmeal, or even soups. For extended preservation, you can freeze the gel in ice cube trays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.